Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to Queen Jasmine's Kitchen. Yes, simple meals meets big flavors. Today we are mastering a kitchen essential: perfect fluffy white rice. Whether you are a seasoned chef or just love great food, this recipe and vlog is for you. I've got you covered. Let's get started. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss out on more mouth-watering content. Let's get cooking. First thing first, let's grab a clean pot and add 2 cups of water. Place it on the stove and bring it to a boil. We will let it bubble away for about 5 minutes to ensure it is nice and hot, perfect for cooking our white rice. Now that our water is boiling beautifully, it is time to add the star of the show, our rice. I am using 2 cups of rice for this recipe. Pour it into the pot of boiling water and give it a gentle stir with your spoon to prevent it from sticking. Let's get our rice cooking. Alright, it's been about 7 minutes and now it's time to wash our rice. This step is super important to get rid of excess starch and ensure that the grains cook up nice and fluffy. I like to rinse my rice in cold waters for about 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear. That's how you know it's ready. How do you usually wash your rice? Let me know your favorite method or tips in the comments. I would love to hear them. After giving our rice a thorough rinse, it's time to put it back into a clean pot. Next, I'm adding a teaspoon of salt, just like you saw in the video. This little touch enhances the flavor without overpowering the dish. Let's get it back. Wait a minute, some of you might ask, how do I know that my rice is ready to be washed? 1. Texture check. After a few minutes of boiling, I said I boiled mine about 7 minutes. The rice should feel slightly soft but still firm. You see the way I touched mine. It's not soft, it's slightly firm. It means it's ready to be washed. 2 is the water appearance. The water turns cloudy, showing starches releasing. Thirdly, time-based cue. Thirdly, time. Watch your rice. Watch to avoid overcooking. As your rice is on from 5 minutes, start checking. Some rice can get soft earlier than 7 minutes, so check your rice. Watch it to avoid overcooking. Then lastly is the visual looks. The grain will look slightly swollen but not fully cooked. That is how to know that your rice is ready to be washed. Now let's move on to the next step. So after adding salt, pour the same amount of water as the rice into the pot. After about 7 minutes, dip your spoon into the pot like I'm doing. If it comes out clear and the rice is soft with no water, your rice is ready. Or if it comes out clear but your rice is not fully cooked, it's not soft, add a little water and monitor until the rice softens. Once done, your rice is ready to enjoy with any stew or sauce of your choice. Thanks for cooking with me today. I hope you enjoyed making this white rice as much as I did. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out or what you would like to see me make next. Until next time, keep cooking and stay amazing. Bye for now.